Hi guys, so today we'll be visiting Manila Ocean Park. And just a quick reminder, what was I gonna say? I forgot. The audio sounds really bad because I recorded using my GoPro. But for the next videos, I promise I'll be using my phone instead. So watch right here, right now. So today, we're at Manila Ocean Park. Here's the biodome. It's like really trending right now. It's currently like, I guess 2 p.m. right now. What's nice about this place is that, but we'll find out soon. There's a lot of people, but I don't see it. That's actually crazy. Looks like something that would come from Yokohama or like the coast of Osaka. And it's good that the Philippines has one of these. Say hi. We're in and there's so much people. It's nice. I left my digicam. First Osaka, I didn't get the record Kyoto and Osaka on my digicam, and now Ocean Park. Oh, that fish is crazy. What's more interesting than those big fish are these smaller fish. Is it nice?
Yeah.
What do you like?
I did baby shark.
Yeah. You wanna swim?
No.
You don't wanna swim with the fishes?
That's scary.
I'm gonna use my phone because it's really dark. But at least it highlights the fishes. It's so dark. I can't barely. This is nice. Hello. Oh, this one's. On to the next one. This way. Oh, this is the one on top. I feel bad. The next part is the Christmas village. Oh, there. Take a picture here. Hasn't started? Okay, so we're good. Oh, it's gonna start, I think. That's crazy. Okay, so we're back inside after the show. It's really, really hot outside. You know, I wish that, you know, today feels like summer. It feels like the start of summer. Bruh, it's January. Other countries, summer doesn't start till like, you know, June, July. Summer's all year round here. And the only time it's cold is December and early January. There's another part. Creepy crawly, so cute. Oh wow, the neck is so long. Oh, that's nasty. Oh my goodness. I'm not as scared of spiders. I'm scared of lizards. Lizards are another level. Tarantula. Oh, the insects. Where's? Oh, that's. Oh my goodness. Look at the snake, Yuri. It's here. Here, a snake.
Why?
You don't want to touch?
Not allowed?
You don't want to touch?
This is donut. These puppies are so weird.
Oh, that's a huge snake. Say hi, snake. What sound does a snake make? Look at that sunset. There, look at that. Okay, I got it to charge for a bit. Then we must out on the sunset. I got pictures on my phone. Look at this view. You know, if I could just talk more, but the place is about to close. But there's a hotel here, so it's either you get an entrance fee or you check in at the hotel. I think a few hours is enough to explore the place. You can always go by the bay to check out the sunset. I don't think we went to the Jellies exhibit. I don't think we went to the Jellies exhibit, but it's okay. The biodome is on the left, and I want to see if the holographic stuff actually exists. I don't know what time it will show up. It's 6:30. At this place called Galaxy Park. Okay, so in this place there are like lots of restaurants. The place is very Japanese, which I really like because I just came from Japan. The noise is crazy, right? The noise is crazy. There's so much people, and the amount of chairs and tables to support the people aren't enough. There's takoyaki. There's like the soft serve. It's not just Japanese. I guess the overall theme of the place is Japanese, but there's Hong Kong cuisine, Taiwanese, Filipino. I waited for my food and I really love it. I started eating, I forgot to record, but like, damn, wow, amazing. They gave me extra curry. I added so much togarashi.